Here's my 61 Impala I'm restoring. Just kind of doing everything myself. There's a 84 Chevy as well. I've done quite a bit to it. All the front end suspension, core support, all that good stuff. The whole front end on this thing's redone, suspension wise, firewall. I actually repaired it with the chevy weld. I repaired the rust that was in it and fixed the large hole that it creates throughout the years where water runs through right here. It all rots out. All of them are known for that. That's all fixed.
It's time to eat!
Here's the 61.
Before I eat your food!
I completely gutted it out. I'm redoing the wiring on it. I'm making a new fuse block for it. I'm gonna make it look original, but turn around and use the modern fuse block. But I'm gonna undercoat this, sound it, and everything else. It's good floors. 61, 4-door hardtop. Got a little rust over there, and a little bit back there. Not too bad. Floor pans, pretty bad, but that's normal. Seats and everything back there. Underneath the seats are good. I'll make a custom box for the air ride and some speakers kind of all integrated together, but everything's just kind of gutted out of it. Redo the dash, repaint it, repaint the steering column, all that good stuff. I'll have another video of that once I'm done. Basically rewiring and everything though, make it look nice and neat. 4-door hardtop 61. Most of the trim is there. Staggered wheels. It's on air ride. And there's my daily driver, 87 Camaro. It's all original. Everything works on it. It's nice. Anyway, I'll show y'all how that goes.